Hello everyone and welcome to this video tour of number 5 Benham Drive here in Spencer's Wood. So what we have here is a 3-storey detached property, 5 bedrooms, interestingly with 4 bathrooms as well. So let's just show you the location of this property first. I am just going to spin round to the left because what I'd like to show you is just what this property overlooks. It overlooks this large open green. Benham Drive is a cul-de-sac, so very quiet when it comes to traffic, of course. Only the people that live here really come down here. This property occupies a corner plot. And I'm just going to spin around to the left again as we'll walk around this tree. So this really is, this is the view that this property has from the front looking outwards. So very pleasant, very nice location. So let's take you inside and we'll give you a tour. Through the front door and into the main entrance hall. So you can see immediately in front of me I've got the staircase taking you to the first floor. From a layout point of view, just briefly on the left hand side here we've got the downstairs WC, door through to the kitchen just there, and as you can see on the right hand side this takes you into the lounge. So let's just show you the downstairs WC to start with. Good size. It's got a window rather than an extractor fan, so always preferred. Part tile doors, as you can see. There's the low level WC and the wash basin. And just pointing out the flooring, actually. The flooring here you see does run into the entrance hall. So quite a nice flooring as well. Let's now look at the lounge. So this has a front aspect window. Let me just step into the room just to show you the full extent. There's the front aspect window there. So that's the one that's going to have the view over the green. But let's just now spin around and show you the full extent of the lounge. Got double doors at the back there taking you into the dining room. And we have a focal point of a fireplace. That's a gas sort of living flame effect fire. Okay, so the double doors there do take you into the dining room. I'm just going to take the option of going back into the hallway and just to show you through this way. So we'll look at the kitchen first of all. So it's a kitchen breakfast room. You can see immediately we have the breakfast table on the right hand side there. So nice range of modern units. You probably spot that we have a range cooker there as well. Good work surface space. Rear aspect window. And the door there is into the dining room, which I'll show you in just a moment. And we have base units, drawers, larder cupboards, high level units, and the extractor hood just there above the range cooker. So just to my left hand side we've got a door taking you into the utility room. So the utility room houses the boiler on the wall, as you can see, and the sink unit with hot and cold water, base unit, and that's where the washing machine would live. We also got a door here taking you to the side access. And then, as mentioned, behind me here, this door takes you into the dining room. Let's show you that. So this has got French doors onto the rear garden, and there's the doors going into the lounge. Just give you an idea of the view out the back of the dining room here onto the patio. I will show you the garden towards the end, but quite a pleasant view. Relatively private garden as well. And I'm just going to show you the link between the dining room and then the lounge again. Okay, so that's the ground floor. Let's now take you upstairs and show you the first floor. So we're on the first floor landing. There's the staircase from the main entrance hall. Obviously being a 3-storey property, we've got another flight to show you. There's the stairs taking you up to the second floor. Let's show you the main bedroom on this level first of all. So this one has the ensuite, which is the door on the right hand side there. It's a dual aspect room. We've got a front aspect and a side aspect window, but I'm just going to step into the room, spin round, because in the corner here we've got a range of built-in wardrobes, as you can see. More space for more furniture should you wish. Chest of drawers, there's a dressing table here as you can see, the bed with bedside cabinet, so plenty of room for general furniture as well as the wardrobes behind me. And then this door is the ensuite as mentioned. So it's an ensuite shower, front aspect window there. You can see the shower cubicle and the low level WC, and also a pedestal wash basin. Okay, so that's one of the bathrooms, I should say. Just on the landing here, by the way, this door here is the airing cupboard with the hot water tank. So let's now show you this room. This is another double room on this first floor. Rear aspect window, this one. And again, it has an ensuite, which I'll show you in a moment. Let me just spin around here, show you we have a built-in double wardrobe just there. Good that there's a double bed in situ, so at least it shows you the size of this room. And then round the corner here, this door is to the second ensuite. Again, very similar to the first. We've got a shower cubicle there, the pedestal wash basin and the low level WC. Again, we have a window in the ensuite, frosted window, that's on the side of the house. So that's two double rooms we've seen there, both with ensuite. On this level, we do then have a third room. Now, this is the smallest bedroom in the house. So this really would be bedroom 5, I guess. Currently used as a study, as you can see. Rear aspect window. And then, last but not least, on this level, we have the family bathroom. This is a good size. Now this is a 4-piece bathroom suite. Let me first of all just step in the room and show you we have the bath here. So the panelled bath, fully tiled walls. And then spinning round you'll see we have the pedestal wash basin, there's the shower. So it's a bath and a shower cubicle, and then the low level WC. And again a window, frosted window. I point out the windows in bathrooms because whilst we have extractor fans, I think it is nice to have the window as well. So really good size family bathroom. So that is the first floor. Let's now take you upstairs and show you the second floor. Whilst I'm walking up here, just pointing out location wise of this house. Well, Spencer's Wood Village is very close by with all the shops, and you've got bakers, pharmacy, hairdressers, post office, grocery stores, that sort of thing. So really good facilities in Spencer's Wood, and literally it's just along the road, round the corner, 5 minutes walk away. So we're on the second floor. This now is another big double bedroom. This one has an ensuite as well. So this is the 4th ensuite I'm showing you, or the 4th bathroom. But a really good sized double room, as you can see. And I'm just going to spin round because I'd like to show you behind the door here we've got a built-in double wardrobe. And then the ensuite. Okay, so you can see the shower cubicle on the right hand side here with the low level WC, and then a wash basin which has a vanity covered under this time. But again, fully tiled walls. And we have a skylight window on this one as well. So a nice ensuite to this lovely bedroom. This could be deemed the main bedroom or a guest bedroom because it is quite a good sized double room. And then the last room to show you is this one across here. Now the current owners use this room as another lounge because it's so large. Now as a bedroom, this would be a fantastic children's room, really good size, front and rear aspect windows. Let me just wander down the end and turn round and show you the bedroom from the other angle. So a skylight window at the back and normal sort of dormer window at the front. So this is a very good sized bedroom or lounge if that's where you want it to be. So yeah, that is the house. 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and the downstairs with the 2 reception rooms, large kitchen breakfast room and the utility. Let's now show you outside and also the double length garage. Okay, so the rear garden, as you can see, it's a walled garden. It's laid to lawn, mainly with flower bed surrounds. We've also got this deck patio here as well. You'll probably spot that it's raining today, so I'm not going to wander too much into the garden. But what I am going to do is just take you in and show you the double length garage in just a second. You can see behind the garage we've got a timber shed, sort of summer house, sat there. Okay, let's go for the garage and show you inside. So this, as I mentioned, is a double length garage. So this doorway is about halfway. You can see, let me just stand and show you the front of the garage. We have an electric up and over door, and I'm just going to spin round and show you the full extent of the garage. Genuine double length. It's fair to say most people might keep one car in here and use the rest for storage, workshop, that sort of thing, but equally if you want 2 cars in here, no problem whatsoever. This does have a pitched roof. I'm just going to point upwards and show you the pitched roof, which could well be useful for storage. Okay, so that just about concludes the tour of this property. If you want any more information, please do give me a call. My name is Gary. The number is on the website. Alternatively, of course, it's the same telephone number should you wish to take a view inside. Thank you very much for watching.